What does a in an import statement in Python mean? I'm looking over the code for Python's multiprocessing module, and it contains this line. Instead of. The subtle difference being the period before underscore multiprocessing. What does that mean? Why the period?
That's the syntax for explicit relative imports. It means import from the current package.
Default 1. In your current folder. When you want to go parent folder, you can do like this: my Python version 3.6.3.
The dot in the module name is used for relative module import, see here and here, section 6.4.2. You can use more than one dot, referring not to the current package but its parents. This should only be used within packages. In the main module, one should always use absolute module names.
Ich jobbar för Telenor. Det är alltså 4 fruktförening.